The E-Learning Center, ELC, at Prince Sultan University runs the Exemplary Moodle Course Award annually. The award recognizes faculty members who excel in their use of the learning management system. The call for nominations for the award is announced to all faculty members on the Moodle homepage and via emails, seminars, and webinars. The award is intended to recognize the work of faculty members who maintain exemplary teaching and learning environments for students via the Moodle platform. Faculty members who take part in this award are expected to showcase examples of best practice that positively engage students and reflect their ability for innovative Moodle course design. ELC wishes to express its gratitude to the Moodle Awards Committee, a committee of PSU faculty members who excel at using Moodle LMS, some of which have been with us since the first Moodle Exemplary Course Awards. Distinguished members of the evaluation committee reviewed each course that was submitted to form a list of the best designed Moodle courses. The 7 best courses on the shortlist were ranked in 3 categories. This video will highlight the winning courses and the features that made them stand out. Dr. Asamenu Bareda was selected as the first-place winner, as the evaluation committee looked at his brilliantly innovative course that complemented student participation and learning. A few highlights of his course were content clarity, effective use of social media, activities enhancing student motivation, student engagement, and easy navigation in the course. The second place was won by Dr. Mustafa Nasrallah and Ms. Erin Kerfman, as their courses were highly engaging and were effectively using Moodle components. Their distinctive part of the course was usage of external tools to enhance student engagement and learning. Their course provided clear instructions to participants on how to perform any activity. The third place was won by Professor Zahir ul-Haq, Ms. Ishraqt Khan, Mr. Salim Khan, and Ms. Saima Rashid. Key highlights of their courses were diversity of the technology used, high engagement in the course, and creativity that complemented student learning. And all the appreciation and sincere thanks to first and foremost Prince Sultan University for the consistent support for its faculty members in providing them with opportunities for professional development, growth, and creativity. ELC and PSU would like to extend their gratitude to the Executive Committee for their dedicated support in evaluating the submitted courses and carrying out several meetings and discussions in order to determine the winners for the 2022 Exemplary Moodle Award. Thirdly, to all faculty for their commitment, effort, and time to participate in the e-learning activities, and finally to take part in the e-learning center.